Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this retro look for you. I really wanted to create a look around this red faux leather jacket that I got at Windsor. I have had it for a while now and I don't know why I never made a video with it. I know I included it in a haul, but it just needed its own video. And it's perfect timing because it's December, it's Christmas time, so now we have some red to incorporate into this month. Now before we get into today's look, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Babelash. Babelash was created to inspire women to embrace their unique individuality when it comes to beauty. And I really love how they make it known that being a babe isn't about being perfect. It's about feeling confident and embracing your individual beauty, which is what I love. So I picked up some products that I think would benefit so many of you. One of the first products I got, which I was really interested in, is the Babe Lash Enhancing Conditioner. This contains natural extracts to add dimension and luster to your lashes, and it can also be used on your eyebrows and your lash extensions. And to make the results even better, I actually paired it with the Babe Lash Essential Serum. I also used the Babe Lash Enriching Mascara. This one is absolutely clump free. I love this thing. Here I have the Babelash Plumping Lip Jelly. This is one of my favorites. It just gives you that nice subtle lip pout. And the final product is the Defining Brow Cream. You guys know I am a fan of brow pomade, smudge free. It goes on so smooth and it matches my eyebrows perfectly. A great thing about Babelash is that these products are plant-based products and they're not tested on animals. Babelash has been kind enough to offer a 20% coupon code for my followers. If you use the code AshleyM20, you will get 20% off your order. Thank you so much, Babelash, for sponsoring this video. Alright dolls, let's get into this get ready with me. Okay dolls, so to first get started, I'm taking my Kat Von D Lock It Concealer Cream. Yay, I finally got concealer. I told you guys I would. And I'm putting that to cover the tail ends of my eyebrows and underneath my eyes and around my mouth. Then I'm taking my Stay Naked foundation in the shade 41NN by Urban Decay and applying that all over my face. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Powder and applying that underneath my eyes and all around my face except for my lid space. Now I'm going in with my Benefit Cosmetics 3D Brow Tones Eyebrow Gel and applying that. And then I am taking my Brow Pomade by Babelash, and this is where I'm going to start carving out my lashes and drawing out my eyebrows. Sorry, where I'm going to start carving my eyebrows and just creating that eyebrow. Now going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glow palette, I'm applying the shade Tempera and applying that as my brow bone highlight. And then going in with my Zion palette by Hip Dot, I'm taking the shade Sandstone, and this is going to be our base shade. Then in that same palette, I'm taking the shade Canyon, which is an burnt orange sort of color, and applying that. That's going to be our transition shade. Next, I'm taking the shade Grounded, which is a deeper burnt orange, and applying that, but this time closer to my crease. Now I'm taking the shade Vibration in that same palette, and I'm using a smaller brush to get really close to my crease. And once I create that line, I'm going to blend it out with a fluffy brush. Then with an even smaller smudge brush, applying that same grounded shade. And then I'm just going to blend it out. Now I'm taking the shade of Virgin and applying that on my lids, but I'm not taking it all the way out, so maybe shading in 2/3 of the way. And then I'm taking Grounded and applying that on the outer corner. And then taking Vibration and just deepening that color. And blending out. Now I'm taking the shade Angel's Landing and applying that on my waterline. And then I'm using Vibration and only shading in the outer portion. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay 24-Hour Glide On pencil, and this is in the shade Lucky. For inner corner highlight, I'm using Lorella Cosmetics Bougie. And then today I'll be using my Kat Von D tattoo liner. I got this as one of my Sephora gifts, so decided I'd use it again. It's been a while since I've used this one. Now for mascara, I'm taking my Babelash mascara. No matter how many coats you put on, it just does not clump. It goes on so smooth and beautifully. Here I am taking my Marc Jacobs bronzer and applying that all over and contouring my face a little bit in my forehead. For cheeks, I'm using my blush Mallow, and this is in the shade Dolly Peachy. And then going back in with my Bougie highlight, applying that. For lip liner, I'm taking Kat Von D Everlasting Liner in the shade Homegirl. And then adding some shading to the corners. Then I'm using Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Outlaw. Going in with my Babelash Lip Plump. This is the mauve color, and when you put it on, you can feel some tingling, but it gives you some nice, beautiful, luscious, pouty lips. I love it. And here is the final makeup look. Moving on to hair, it looks awful. But I'm taking this front section that I already had parted, and I'm just curling the ends. And then I'm going to separate each section and tease some more. Now this is going to be a quick look. It's already sort of, it has its style from the day before, but I love putting my hair in a scarf because this look is so easy to achieve. Then I'm taking a soft bristle brush and really molding out my bangs, applying the Chi hairspray. Then I'm going to take a duckbill clip just to hold that volume in the bangs. And now I'm using a small teasing comb that has more bristles, and using that to just comb any flyaways, make everything smooth. Then I'm using my fingers to create the barrel. And once I get it how I like, I'm going to add some bobby pins just to keep the hair steady. And then taking out these duckbill clips, I'm brushing through it so it can get rid of that crease that the duckbill clip created. So here I'm taking my VP Fashion 613 DIY dye hair extensions. These are my favorite hair extensions ever, and my hairstylist is the one who dyed them to match my hair. So I'm taking 2 4-clip wefts, and I'm going to apply those at the crown. And it's okay if they're showing because we're going to add a scarf, so it doesn't matter. Then I'm using my real hair to blend in with the extensions, and then using a rubber band to wrap around my hair. Next, with my fingers, I'm just going to fluff out all of these curls just so I can create a whole bunch of volume. Once you get it how you like it, I'm then spraying some hairspray all around and smoothing any flyaways, anything falling down. And then spraying all my other curls and then hitting it with a blow dryer so none of the curls fall down. For scarf, this is a scarf that I got, I believe, on Etsy. It's just a vintage nylon scarf. And I'm wrapping that around. And then I'm adding some bobby pins so it doesn't fall off. For earrings, I'm taking these heart earrings. They're so cute. My friend got them for me. You can find them at Target. They have some really cute earrings right now. And here is the final hair and makeup look. So for outfit, this is the Biker Chic crop jacket. It's actually from Windsor, but the brand is Ashley. Hey! The pants are also from Windsor. However, they don't have them anymore. And the top, I posted a top that's similar to the one I'm wearing. The one I'm wearing is from Forever 21, but they don't have that same style anymore, so I linked a similar one. But here's a close-up with the biker jacket buckled. It's just so cute. I love that pop of red. It really just, it's eye-catching. And for heels, these are the Aran suede shoes from Steve Madden in the shade red. So this is it for the final look, dolls. I really hope you enjoyed this outfit. Let me know what you thought of the outfit in the comments below. What would you like to see next? I hope you dolls have a fabulous week, and I will see you soon. Bye, loves.